I've got a Air Hogs Supernova Orb, and this is my flight test screen. Oop, I just dropped it and it's hit the ground and now it's flying off on its own. And then it gets stuck. I turn it upside down because that turns it off, and I'll start again. Okay, when you turn it on, the light blinks like that, and then once it's ready, it'll stay a constant green, which it's not doing, so I'm just turning it back on again. Still not doing it, so on and off again. There we go, it's green. Drop it, hit the ground that time again, and it's much more stable this time. See, I can now push it away by it sensing my hand, and I can lift it higher a little bit like that. Okay, so when it's stable like that, it's pretty easy to control. So I'm just trying a trick here and nothing happened, I don't think. I don't know, but now it's flying off on its own again, and I'm trying to bring it back. I'm just trying to trim it now, because apparently you can trim it. I don't know. It seems like it's quite complicated. Maybe I look like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. It's quite determined to fly towards the front of the house. I don't know if that's because there's the most light there. The most natural light. Down the back here is artificial light. Well, to a point. It's stable again, but it still wants to go towards the front of the house. So I have to hit it a little bit just to actually push it now, touching it. It's getting more and more determined. It's decided that it's... Okay, just turn that off again. Anyway, that's the Supernova Orb. And that's my experience of it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.